So now I have here the meat of the leftover roasted chicken, so I'm gonna blend it. You're gonna put the lid, and then lock, and then just blend it into cups. So it's not finely chopped, so we have to do it again. One more round, okay? Until it's done. So here, it's like this. It's finely chopped. So now we're gonna season it and put all the ingredients. So I have here the spring onion and celery, and the carrots, the grated carrots. You can put all in there. And put some garlic powder, salt, then ground black pepper. And we're gonna mix together. Mix them. So here is our mixture, and I'm gonna wrap it into spring roll wrap. So we're gonna make some egg rolls. I'm gonna get some of this and then put right there.
Is it already wet?
And then we're gonna roll like this, Summer. We're gonna roll like that and roll like this. And then like this, Summer.
Wet.
Ta-da! We're gonna seal. We use this one to seal the egg roll.
Thingies. I guess
Alright, like this. So here I made 25 pieces and still have leftovers, and then we're gonna start frying. Alright, so I just put a little bit of oil on the pan. We're gonna heat it up. Since the chicken I use here is cooked, I just have to fry. Start. Think. Now we're frying them. So here is our egg rolls. We're gonna try sweet and sour sauce. Yummy.